Asuntosketju Harjuportti.
Today is the 14th of July 2025. What was the address?
Harjukatu 4, staircase B.
Yeah. There is no left because it has the few apartments.
Yeah.
Yes. Last week was the pictures. 1961 by Epilän Konepaja. Modernized in 2004. So must be honest, why 1534? Oh yeah, it was quite rare before.
Yeah.
But maybe just one right.
Yeah.
It's a bad situation.
Yeah.
Down to okay.
Yeah.
It's great. But I think for one should have been great here. I don't know why it's okay instead. But still has the 90s type of machine.
Mm.
Yeah, so it was probably modernized in the beginning of 2004. And also the alien doors look like 90s type.
Yeah.
So this was in Heinola, Lahti region, Finland. That's it.
That's